Hey, what's up? So this question is called Not Boring Movies. So we have this cinema table, and if you read the description, so please write a SQL query to output movies that with an odd numbered ID and a description that is not boring or that there is a Y rating. From as you can see from this example, they are ordering the result from the highest rating to the lowest rating. And the description is not boring, which means it does not have the string boring in the description. Not having them. It's not equal to boring. That's it. That's the meaning of the description. And odd numbers are the ideas. This is easy to do. So I think the idea behind this question is just to show you or to make you familiar with SQL syntax. So select ID, movie, then description, then rating from the cinema table, where ID mod 2 is equal to 1, which means it's odd, and description is not equal to boring. You can do this with this operator. So it's not equal to boring. This, make sure you don't have white spaces. Now we need to order by a rating column in descending order, which means from the highest to the lowest. Now just submit. That should be it. Yeah, and thank you.